We're having a New England seafood ClamBake-esque party. Public Garden, their tulip installation starts today. Annual Hydrangea refresh. Hello everybody, it's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. This is my second video back after taking a 3.5-year hiatus. I had so much fun making the first video. Thank you so much if you watched it, if you left a nice comment. I got a lot of really nice messages that made me feel really good and I really appreciate it. I'm gonna kick off this video with a trip to the library. I love the library. I have been on my reading grind lately. I have never read so much in my life. I am having the time of my life. So I just finished a book and I'm gonna go drop it off and I have another one on hold. So we're gonna walk over there now. Spring is finally starting here in Salem. Like all of the trees in the common just got green leaves on them. I swear overnight. It actually rained last night, so that makes a lot of sense. So the book that I just finished is called The Unmaking of June Farrow by Hydrangea. I really liked this book. So I'm a pretty slow reader and I was able to read this book in a week. This was also a little bit of a genre jump for me. I've been reading a lot of historical fiction this year. If you liked Outlander or Addie LaRue, I can't remember the full title of that book, or the movie with Blake Lively, Adelaide, like the Mysterious Life of Adelaide or whatever that movie is. If you like any of those, you'll like this. It's very sweet. It does have magical realism and it's addicting. Okay, so I got The Stationery Shop by Marjan Kamali. I don't know what this book is about, but I just recently read a book from her called The Lion Women of Tehran, which I really liked. Definitely like a new top favorite for me. I saw on Goodreads that a lot of people like this book, so I thought I'll just go in blind. I love going in blind if there's like reason to believe you're gonna love it. Good morning, I'm heading into Boston for work today. It seriously feels like we made it. Like everything is in bloom. It's so pretty. The weather's getting nicer. Like we did it. Just got out of a meeting. I finished up work pretty early today, so I think I'm gonna take the tea over to the Public Garden. Their tulip installation starts today, and I really want to see it. Charlie did not sleep well last night, so I did not sleep well last night. And I'm loving this book. I am already almost halfway through, which is kind of nuts for me personally. I really like this author. I'm kind of at the point in the story though where I have absolutely no idea what's gonna happen. Like I have no idea the direction we're going in. I'm about to pick up Charlie and take him to his 15-month pediatrician appointment. So I'm just packing him some snacks, but oh my gosh, I have to tell you what happened to me. So when I was filming that cleaning montage earlier today, I dropped my camera on the ground and it broke. Or so I thought. It was turned on, but it wasn't, like I couldn't see anything. But I was like, oh, okay, so this sucks. I just started to try vlogging again and now I have to buy a new camera. Like, but here's the crazy part. So I have the Canon G7X and I have had this camera, I think since like 2015. I bought it while I was on the world race. And I have the Mark II. So that came out, I don't know when that came out, but maybe a little bit later. So let's say it's like an 8-year-old camera. And I've probably had like 5 or 6 of these things. I literally had the same thing happen to me on the Camino. I broke one in the middle of the Camino and had to buy another one in Spanish and send it to my albergue. And so like, I was like, okay, I guess I need to buy another one. Like, I've been down this road. Like, it sucks, but it's like if I'm gonna do this, then I need a camera. So the camera has traditionally been like anywhere between $300 to $500, depending on like what model you're getting. This was the Mark II, so I was thinking it would cost maybe like $500. That's what it cost back in 2019. So if you're on TikTok at all, you might have seen that like the G7X is going viral. It has been going viral for like over a year. Like, people are all of a sudden like obsessed with it, even though it's been around for a really long time. And because of that, the price has tripled. It was going for $1,500. $1,500. The same camera, it's the same version, the Mark II that came out like 8 to 10 years ago. It's not like it's improved. It's the exact same camera, and it's triple the price. Like, I understand inflation, but triple when there's been no new updates? It'd be like an iPhone 9 costing 3 times what it costs. Like, what are you talking about? So I'm so upset. I'm like, that's it, I'm switching to Sony. I feel like people who are really serious about video prefer Sony anyways. I find a nice one that I think is perfect for vlogging. It's cheaper than I was even expecting to spend on the Canon. And I talked to my husband, I buy it, I'm not kidding, this camera turned back on. I was like, what? So I canceled it. So I'm not buying a new camera and everything's fine. But like, what a roller coaster. All right, gotta take Charlie to his big boy 15-month appointment. Good morning. Today is Friday. I actually have the day off and I think it's gonna rain like all weekend. So I have some gardening I need to do. It's my annual hydrangea refresh. I'm also strawberry bush curious. I think I want to plant some strawberries. So if they have them at the store, I think I'm gonna get them. I guess I could do seeds too.
Finally, spring in New England. It's like a season with multiple personality disorder. 96-month SRS.
That's a yellow. This is an alpine.
Okay.
This is your standard strawberry.
Oh no, that's cool. I didn't know that it would ripen throughout the season. I thought it would just be like one harvest and that's it. That's cool. I'm at the garden center in Marblehead. I love it here. My dad and I come every year together to fresh up my hydrangeas. He's not here with me this year, so I was texting him this morning, like ask him questions about what I'm supposed to do. I'm pretty sure these are the hydrangeas we bought 3 years ago. They're so big now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't have any of these, so this will be good. Okay, success. I got 3 bags of mulch for the hydrangeas, and then I got 5 strawberry bushes and gloves, and then on a whim I got a tomato plant. Okay, I have this. I think I'm gonna plant the strawberries in here. I'm not sure how close together they should be, so I might need to get another pot. I have a lot of pots in the basement. I planted 8 in this one and then 2 in here, and then this is the tomato plant. I didn't have to do anything. It was just already ready to go. Okay, so cute. Hopefully these do well here. If they don't, obviously I can move them. Oh, and Katrina is coming over tonight. I mentioned in the last vlog she comes over every Thursday night, but we had to cancel last night because I totally forgot to mention. But once we got to the doctor, like it was a scheduled checkup, wellness check, he ended up with double ear infection that they said was just beginning, so we just caught it. So we ended up being there for a really long time, and then we had to go to the pharmacy and they didn't have the prescription, and then we had to stay there all night. All those snacks you saw me pack, good thing because he ate all of them. It was like way past dinner time. He ate all of them in the CVS. He'll be home in like 20 minutes. Do you want me to take your shoes off? No. He's tired. I'm tired of this, Grandpa. Oh, that's so sweet. yeah, we have to make an exception. Tonight, Charlie is having turkey tacos. Do you like your rice and meat? Dinner and a show. Exciting. This is called a stretch and fold. I think this is my third one. The dough is getting stronger and smoother. Dough, dough, dough. Dough, dough. What? What's wrong? Yeah. So my dad said, all right, well, you guys eat it. So I had. Because that's all of them in that area. It's like Jordan's included. Okay, my friends just left. My friend Liz also ended up just coming over. I want to get in bed and read. Drew's still out with his friends. I want to get in bed and read, but I have to shake my dough first. Hello, it is Sunday now. Yesterday it was raining all day, so we continued on with the spring refresh vibes. I cleaned out my entire closet. We deep cleaned the house. I made jalapeno bread. And I finished my book. I really enjoyed this book. I'm glad I read it. It was not as good as The Lion Women of Tehran, which is the most recent novel this author has written. And the books are really similar. Like, they're set in the same time. They feature a lot of the same political and historical events. And the two main characters end up living in the same very specific place in the end. So I was like really expecting that they would be like sort of connected somehow, but I don't think that they were, or maybe I'm missing something. But I really liked this book to start, but then at the end, it kind of felt like a little soap opera to me. If you're interested in this author, I would recommend starting with The Lion Women of Tehran. I think that book was excellent. And now I'm on to The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. This is like a super, super viral book. I read the prologue last night. I'm excited. I think I'm gonna like this. So we have some fun plans today. We're going over to our friend's house for a little dinner party. We're having a New England seafood ClamBake-esque party, sponsored by Turner's. They have this program called Dock to Door, and they deliver seafood from New England all over the country. Turner Seafood is a local restaurant. I can actually walk there from my house. It's just down the street, and it's really good, very cozy if you ever come to Salem, but they ship all over the country, and they've sent some food to us, and me and my friends are gonna have a little party. Hi, Julia. So thrilled to bring Turner Seafood fresh to the door with over 100 years experience in seafood. Please enjoy the best New England has to offer. So we have lobster bisque, fresh oysters, and an oyster shucker, the cutest little Tabasco sauce, scallops, crab cakes, so we're doing bacon wrapped scallops. Katrina's gonna teach us how to shuck oysters.
Oysters! Oysters!
It was.
What's the difference?
Do you like oysters, Katrina?
No, that's crazy. That'd be so insane.
This is a work of art.
Yeah. Maybe. Waste. Yeah, but I always.
Yay!
What's he doing?
He's shy.
Let me get in here too.
This is such a
There we
fun
go.
game. Trying at all your parties.
Go. Circle spoon.
We have some adult friends who would be
Go,
like,
Charlie.
do this.
And you always want something to protect your hand. There's like legitimate things that you can use. But you go slowly, and then you'll find the spot where it naturally opens.
back at the house now. Charlie's going down for the night. Thank you so much to Turner Seafood for delivering us that meal. We had so much fun. If you're interested in ordering from them, I will have the link down below, and I have a discount code to take 10% off your order. It's DTD10. They ship to everywhere in the continental US, and they package up all the prepared items every day, and then they ship it fresh overnight. Most companies ship things frozen, so that's what makes them a little bit different. It's also a very small, hands-on organization. The people who have been emailing with me are the exact same people who are going to inspect your order and like make sure that it's perfect. They write you a hand note. It's fresh New England seafood. So again, if you want to know more about that, I will have the link and the discount code down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had a great time making it. I definitely have plans to film another video, so if you are enjoying this, I appreciate it. Subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.